Hello children, how are you all? Once again, I welcome you all to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 2, Topic हमारे मित्र. हमारे are मित्र, friends. See children, I mentioned here our friends. We will say my friend, right? So why I said our friends? There are a lot of people in this world who help us knowingly and unknowingly. So they all are our friends. So we are mentioning here them as our friends. This we will discuss further in our chapter. हमें खाने के लिए अन्न, पहनने के लिए कपड़े, रहने के लिए घर चाहिए. We need food to eat, dresses to wear and house to live in. इतना ही नहीं, जीवन में और भी चीज़ों की आवश्यकता है. Not only this, we need many more things to live in this world. Right children? Like we are just walking. Can we walk with a barefoot? No. We need slippers or shoes or chappal. So like this, many things are there which we need in our daily life. So that all things are made by some person, right? We are not making them on our own. Are we making the shoes on our own? No. We are buying it from the shops. We need pen, pencils, many things to write and color. So are we making all the things on our own? No children. Some people are making it, right? So they are our friends. इन चीज़ों को बनाने वाले अलग अलग होते हैं. इन्हें हम पेशेवर कहते हैं. One person can't make all the things. Like the person who makes shoes can't make pen. A person who makes pen can't make pencils. Right children? So they all are different persons who make these things for us. And these persons are called as professionals. We call them as professionals. Peshevar. In Hindi for professional we are using the word as peshevar. Next. खाने के लिए सबको अन्न चाहिए. We need food to eat. अन्न पैदा करने वालों को किसान कहते हैं. The person who produces food for us is known as a farmer. He produces different types of grains like rice, wheat, millet, bajra and everything for us. किसान तरकारी भी पैदा करता है. Not only this, but farmers also produces fruits and vegetables for us. With grains, we need some vegetables also to eat, right children? So these vegetables are also produced by farmers. हमें पहनने के लिए कपड़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. We need dresses to wear. But from where these dresses are coming to us? We are going to shops and buying the dresses. That's all what we know. But these are only threads made into cloth and then made into dresses and provided to us. So there are such a lot of process going on while we are wearing a dress. So कपड़ों को बनाने वाला जुलाहा कहलाता है. The person who makes this cloth from thread, they are making this cloth. That person is known as a weaver. That person is known as a weaver. Julaha. Julaha means weaver. So that person is taking the thread and he is making the dresses for us. कपड़ों को हमारे लिए दर्जी सीता है. But that is not enough. If clothes are made, that is not enough. We want to wear it as dress. So the person who stitches that cloth and make the dress for us is known as a tailor. Darji. Darji means tailor. So that person, the tailor, is transforming the cloths to dresses for us. हमारे घर ईंट, रेत, सीमेंट आदि से बनता है. घर बनाने वालों को मेस्त्री कहते हैं. Our house is made up of bricks, sand and cement. The person who makes our house is known as a mason. Mestri means mason. The mason makes the house for us. हमारे लिए जो लकड़ियों से कुर्सी, मेज, अलमारी आदि बनाता है उसे बढ़ई कहते हैं. Now, if we have house, we need some furnitures inside our house, right? So we prefer for wooden furnitures. The person who makes that chairs, tables and almirahs or all these wooden furnitures, they are known as carpenters. Badhai means carpenter. So the person who makes wooden furnitures for us is known as a carpenter. लोहे से कैंची, पेटी, चाकू आदि बनाते हैं. With iron we make scissors, boxes and knife. इन्हें बनाने वाले को लोहार कहते हैं. The person who makes the things made of iron is known as a blacksmith. We call that person as a blacksmith. The person who makes things made up of iron is known as blacksmith. लोहार means blacksmith. बर्तनों की हमें आवश्यकता है. You all must have visited your kitchen, right children? So in your kitchen there are so many utensils. Who makes that utensils? The person who makes this utensil is known as ठठेरा, that is tinker. ठठेरा means tinker. इन बर्तनों को ठठेरा बनाता है. These utensils are made by a tinker. हम बाजार जाकर चीजें खरीदते हैं. We go to market and we buy many things. But from where these things comes into the market? व्यापारी इन चीजों को बेचता है. There are some business persons who sells these things and it comes to the market. So the things what we get in the market is due to a businessman. Vyapari means businessman. He only sells the things in the market. That is, he only provides the things to the market so that we can buy the things from the market. हमारे गंदे कपड़ों को धोबी साफ करता है. The dirty clothes, our mother washes our dirty clothes, right? But some clothes are there which, like white cloths and all, which can't be washed by our mother, and that is washed by a washerman. We call him as dhobi. Washerman means dhobi. We call him as dhobi and he washes the dirty clothes for us. इस प्रकार बहुत पेशेवर होते हैं. So that in this way we have many professionals which we come along in our daily life. ये लोग हमारे आवश्यक चीज़ों को बनाकर हमें देते हैं. These people provide the things required for us. They make that things and they provide that things to us. ये सब हमारे मित्र हैं. So all these persons are our friends only, right children? Like we have friends who help us in our class or at our home. Like that, these people are our friends who help us in our daily life. हमें इनका आदर करना चाहिए. We should respect these professionals. So at last we'll conclude with saying that we should love and respect all those professionals